What's up, guys? Shane's Gaines here, and today we'll be looking at Fat Gripz. So the reason that I chose Fat Gripz, did some research on how to get better forearm strength, better grip strength, because I want to get my deadlift just a little bit better. So I've been having trouble with the bar slipping, and I don't really have that much grip. I have chalk and everything, but my grip is still not what it needs to be. So I did some research, and turns out a lot of people like Fat Gripz, and so today we're going to be looking at that just a little bit further. So this one in particular is about 2.25 inches in diameter. So basically, how thick the grip is. So basically, what this does, you put this on the bar. So usually the bar, you can use your full hand on most of them, but with the Fat Gripz, it adds this level of difficulty. So let's see, I don't think I can even grip it the length. So whenever the bar is on, let's see, yeah. So right here, it'll slip onto the bar, easy curl bar, dumbbell, anything. So it goes onto that and creates a level of difficulty. So you're having to squeeze just a little bit harder to activate your forearm muscles to get that grip, which you'll see later on today. And I guess to see if this actually really works, is we'll do like a test today. We'll put this on the bar. We'll hold it in like a deadlift stance. We'll just see how long we can hold the bar with the Fat Gripz on this week. And we'll keep using exercises with the Fat Gripz this week. And then next week we'll retest and see how long we can hold the bar. And then we'll do like a weekly test to see what we're at about 4 weeks and see if these actually work. So after using the grips for the first time, I guess my review is it was kind of hard to get the Fat Gripz on the bar, which is expected because it's pretty tight. But as I was using it, I could feel that my forearms were more engaged after the workout. Of course, we did back day today, so we didn't really do that many exercises that we could use the Fat Gripz other than the timed grip test that I used. But other than that, we used that one exercise with the curl machine, and I felt that after about the fourth set that my forearms and my grip started to so I started to feel it more. So I'm gonna use it more on arm day. Of course, I already did arms this week, but next week we're going to try it along with the grip test. I could definitely feel with more use, prolonged use, that your grip definitely will improve. It's just you got to keep doing it. But that's my review.